Want to use voice chat on Roblox but don't want to upload your ID? Here's the real method that works in 2025. Step by step. In 2025, some Roblox accounts are auto-verified if your email, phone number, and device data match trusted patterns. So make sure your account is verified and active. Go to Settings, Privacy, and scroll down to Voice Chat. If it's available, you'll see a toggle. Just turn it on. If it's grayed out, you're not eligible yet. Roblox is slowly rolling voice chat to more users without ID, especially verified, active 13+ accounts. Keep your app updated and check settings weekly. Even if you don't have VC yet, you can join games with voice support and hear others. You just won't be able to speak, but it shows you're close to getting access. Never try fake ID apps or bypasses. It violates Roblox terms and can get your account banned. Always wait for official access. That's how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID, the real way. Like and follow for more Roblox updates and safe tricks.